In this module, let's look at the methods that are provided in the string class. The objective is to learn about how to find length of a string, how to concatenate a string using plus operator, how to extract single and multiple characters, how to convert a string into an array of characters. String length. To find the number of characters a string contains, use the length method. Here we create a string object using the char array. And when we call the length method on the string reference variable, the output is printed as 6 because there are 6 characters in the character array which was used to initialize the string object. String concatenation. Java allows plus operator to be applied to string objects. Plus operator can be used to concatenate string objects as shown below. We have age of type string, which is assigned a value of string literal 9. We have str, which is of type string, which is assigned a value of the concatenated string. Here, string age is concatenated in string str. After concatenation, string str will hold she is 9 years old. So what if age was of int data type? In that case as well, the output remains the same. That is because int is automatically converted into its string representation within a string object. The compiler will convert an operand to its string equivalent whenever the first operand of the plus is an instance of string. So we have another concatenation here. So what will be the output in this case? Will it be 4 colon number 4 or 4 colon 2 2? Since the first operand is a string, plus operator will result in string concatenation. Hence the output will be 4 colon 2 2. That is 4 is concatenated with 2 first and the result is a string which is again concatenated with 2. Let's slightly modify the previous example and place the 2 plus 2 in parentheses. So in this case, what will be the output? So in this case, due to the parentheses, the integer addition takes place before concatenation. Hence the output is 4 colon number 4. Single character extraction. A single character at a particular index can be extracted using the below method. Char at, which returns the char at the particular index. Here where is the index of the character that needs to be extracted. The value of where should be positive and should not exceed length of the string minus 1. An example, we have literal ABC on which the char at method is applied and the index is passed as 1. So the expectation is the character at index 1 will be extracted. So this line of code extracts the character B, which is at index 1, and assigns it to ch of type char. Like arrays, indices in string starts from 0, as we have seen previously. Multiple character extraction. More than one character can be extracted at a time using the below method, getChars. Here src start, which is of type int, is the index of the beginning of the substring. src end, which is of type int, is the index that is one past the end of the desired substring. The substring contains the characters from src start through src end minus 1. Next, target is the character array to which the chars in the substring will be copied. Target start which is of type int, is the index in the target array at which the substring will be copied. So we have str of type string assigned the string literal. This is a demo of the getChars method. This is a representation of the string literal with the indices to clearly understand at what index each character is at. We specify the start index as 10 and the end index as 14, and the target array will contain end minus start number of elements. And when we invoke the getChars on the string object and pass in the start and the target character array and the index at which the extracted characters need to be placed from in the target char array, which is 0 in this case. Since the start index is 10, so it will refer to this character, which is D, and the end index is 14. So the substring should contain the characters from the start index through the end index minus 1, which is from 10 to 14 minus 1, which is 13. So character at 10, which is D, character at 11, which is E, character at 12, which is M, character at 13, which is O, is extracted. Hence, when we print the value of buff, it will print DEMO. Multiple character extraction in a byte array. Alternative to getChars, getBytes stores characters in an array of bytes. It uses default character to byte conversion. It is most useful when we are exporting a string value into an environment that does not support 16-bit Unicode characters. For example, most internet protocols and text file formats use 8-bit ASCII for all text interchange. To convert a string object into a character array, we can use the below method, toCharArray, which returns an array of characters. To summarize, we have learned that length method returns the number of characters in a string object. Plus operator is overloaded and it helps in providing string concatenation. A character at a particular index can be extracted. Multiple characters from a particular index to an end index can be extracted into the target character array. A string can be converted into an array of characters.